I'm Dr. Abby Medcalf, and I've helped thousands of people just like you. You can have a happy and connected relationship and be a communication rock star, even if your partner won't do a thing. Now, if you're sitting there right now thinking, well, the big problem in my relationship is that we just don't communicate, you're wrong. You're communicating all the time. You can't not communicate. The problem is that you're communicating the wrong things. And let me explain. Your conscious brain processes information at a rate of 50 bits per second, while your unconscious brain processes information at a rate of 11 million bits per second. Yeah. So if you're feeling resentful, frustrated, anxious, overwhelmed, pissed off, that's what your partner is picking up on, even if your words are completely different. I know. The good news is that you can break this pattern today, no matter how long it's been going on. With just a few key strategies that you can learn in minutes, really, you can turn your relationship into a happy and fulfilling place, something that's filled with laughter, connection, and ease. So if you're ready to have great communication, loving communication with your partner today, then put in your email and I'll send you my free, it's totally free, communication toolkit. It's got everything you need for quick wins. It's not going to take you long. And I really want to help you get to this place you want to be. You deserve it. So put in your email. I'm really looking forward to working with you, and I'll see you on the other side.